To add an Amazon gift card to your Cash App, start by opening the app and navigating to your account. From there, click on the profile icon located at the top of the screen, which will direct you to the profile section. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the option to link banks. So select that. Next, choose the option to link a debit card. You will then be prompted to enter your Amazon gift card number, expiration date, and zip code, after which you can click the link card option. If this does not work, you can try clicking the new card button at the bottom and attempt to link the bank account associated with the Amazon gift card. Simply click Continue, select your bank account, and link it. By following these steps, you can successfully link your Amazon gift card to your Cash App.